SpaceX Starlink just slashed your internet bill. You're not going to believe this. Let's check it out. SpaceX is making over $500 million a month on Starlink. That's just figuring $50 a customer, when it's typically more like $100 per customer.
SpaceX did just release a new streamlined Starlink system where you can get it for $40 a month, but that just started.
No matter how you look at it, they are definitely taking market share, and it's just going to keep going up. As a user of this service, you can get a piece of this money.
This is really big news. We're seeing SpaceX dropping their price yet again. This is a big price drop. This isn't a little one.
If you've been on the fence and you're in, let's say, a rural area or in a municipality that gives you absolute trash internet and you're looking for another option, and SpaceX has always been one for you, but at $120 a month, it was kind of expensive. It was just out of your price range. I get that. That is not cheap.
And they moved down to Internet Lite. So you have your residential and then you have residential light. And they cut it from $120 down to $80, which a lot of people were really happy about because it was a little bit slower speeds.
Well, it's getting even better. But before I show you exactly how to turn this into a real business in 2026 and why now is the perfect time, remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.
Here's what's happening and why this is huge. Starlink isn't just getting cheaper, it's getting better. People are saying, can't wait till Starlink makes Xfinity, Comcast obsolete. And honestly, that's where we're heading.
Listen to this real user. I just got Starlink. I live at 4,300 feet elevation in an eastern Oregon forest. I installed it myself. I'm 83. It is 8:30 p.m. and I just ran a speed test on a standard version 3. 440 megabits per second download and 53 megabits per second upload. Obviously, there are a few people in my area, so that might affect the speed. I am very pleased with it so far. An 83-year-old installed this themselves in a forest and got 440 megabits.
That's faster than most city internet. It's definitely a game changer for dependable Wi-Fi in remote locations.
And it's not just rural areas. Listen to this. I work as a game developer full-time, and my wife got a job as a fire lookout in Montana last summer. I hauled Starlink up to the top of our mountain with my laptop and a small solar generator from EcoFlow, and was able to continue working without skipping a beat while on top of a mountain in the backcountry of Montana.
Pretty wild to even consider that it's possible to do that. This is the power of Starlink. You can work from literally anywhere. No cell towers, no fiber optic cables, just satellite internet that works. And now, with prices dropping, this is becoming accessible to everyone. So, how do you turn this into a business? Here's the strategy, and it's simpler than you think. You start a fully flagged business, you get the Starlink, and you subscribe to the plan. Then you charge a little money from your neighbors to share the login.
Most people's psychology works in such a way that if they themselves have to go ahead and set up everything themselves, they will prefer just to log in and gain access.
You charge them monthly, and I'm extremely confident that you will make the money for setup back within a few months.
Consider the fact that instead of you only paying the whole price of the subscription, you have others who will help keep the subscription going every month.
And the good thing is that adding more people doesn't affect the speed or the amount of data usage because it's unlimited monthly.
Instead of you buying the whole subscription that you might not finish before the month runs out, it's wiser to do a group buy where you will have access to all the data at an affordable price without sacrificing any quality.
It's fractional buying where you get the perk of premium features, such as unlimited data and like 2 to 4 people can share the login and use it.
If you still don't understand, think of it as Netflix, where you subscribe and share the login with your friends and family. And the amazing part is that you just get one Starlink subscription and multiple people pay you monthly to access it.
You're not reselling Starlink officially. You're just sharing your connection with neighbors, friends, or local businesses who need reliable internet.
Here's the math. Let's say you get the $80 residential light plan. You share it with 4 neighbors or small businesses, and you charge each of them $30 a month. That's $120 in revenue.
Your cost is $80, so you're making $40 profit per month, which is $480 a year, pure passive income. And that's conservative. You could charge more depending on your area, or add more users if the bandwidth allows.
One user said, "Currently, I'm getting up to around 400 megabits down and about 50 up.
It's just my wife and me, so we are going to the 100 megabits plan. Will be more than enough for us.
If they're getting 400 Mbps and only need 100, that means there's 300 Mbps of unused bandwidth you could monetize.
And it's not just in the US. In Kenya, outside the capital Nairobi, the residential light rate is $30 per month, with downloads at 200 megabits per second and uploads between 15 to 50 megabits per second.
Even in developing countries, Starlink is becoming a game changer, and the business model works everywhere. You set it up once, share the connection, and collect monthly payments. Now, you'll definitely want to set up an LLC for this business to protect yourself legally.
Then look into hotspot management software like MikroTik or Unify to create your voucher system.
These platforms let you generate voucher codes that customers can purchase for different time periods or data amounts. Make sure you also have solid terms of service to protect yourself.
Why is now the best time? Because Starlink is dropping prices, expanding coverage, and more people are realizing traditional ISPs are garbage. Comcast, Xfinity, AT&T, they're all overpriced and unreliable compared to Starlink.
As more people switch, the demand for shared Starlink connections will explode, especially in rural areas, RV parks, apartment complexes, and co-working spaces.
You're getting in early while the market is still fresh. One user said, "I have residential and got a letter from Starlink offering the portable system for $5 per month. I ordered it." I have a moon roof in my Subaru Forester and can put it facing up on the glass and close the internal door to hold it there, and will now have everything on my phone or laptop.
People are getting creative with Starlink, and that creativity is where business opportunities live. And if you're setting up your LLC for this business, look, forming an LLC yourself is very stressful. And as someone that I have formed LLCs for most of my businesses, I won't recommend the DIY approach.
But use LLC services. All you need is to avoid being overcharged for any services.
Make sure to use our LLC cost calculator. The link is inside the video description, so you can get your business set up properly without wasting money. Once your LLC is formed, get your Starlink, set up your hotspot management system, and start offering shared connections to your community.
The bottom line is this: Starlink is making over $500 million a month, and that number is only going up.
With prices dropping to $40, $80, and $120 depending on the plan, and speeds hitting 400 megabytes per second or more, this is the perfect time to turn Starlink into a side business or even a full-time income stream by sharing connections in your area.
These strategies could be one of the paths to your financial freedom, but just remember that caution and research are the most important steps before investing.
Before I go, tell me, do you have Starlink, or are you planning to start a Starlink sharing business in your area? Leave it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.